here on holiday in North Devon, looking across to Biddeford Bay and Bramshaw Woods. It's a beautiful blue sky day and the bay is glowing. And this is a scene that would be perfect because the composition is really balanced just here, where there's like a dip. You see that? And then the horizon of the sea beyond. You've got Scots pine trees, and the woodland is still winter. And you have the marsh grasses coming up in the field with lots of white daisies. This is just a short Easter break, then I'll be back in Dorset tomorrow evening. Have a wonderful Easter. Bye for now.